Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and create this wheel. It's actually very simple. It's just going to create 3 different features. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll go to File, New, Start, OK. So have that. Go ahead and click on the bottom. Make sure that you turn on the inches, the millimeters. It should say MMGS. Go ahead and go on to the right plane. Click on the right plane. Go to Sketch. Alright. You don't have to turn on your planes. You know that you already clicked right plane, so you know you're on the right plane. So let's go ahead and go onto the line tool. Let's go ahead and start right off this point. Go up, right, up, left, down, left, up, left, down, right, down, left, down, and then back to the origin. So you look something like something like this. So hit escape or get out of the tool if you're like, and the tool means that you have the pencil. Go ahead and exit the tool. Alright, let's go ahead and click on this line. Make sure it's horizontal. Alright, so that's horizontal. So click on it, horizontal. Make sure everything else is horizontal. These are horizontal and these are vertical. So everything should have a relation. Okay. How you do that, you click on it, and see some vertical. Alright, so let's go ahead and add dimensions. So we're going to go ahead and add dimension to the first one will be the bottom one. So this one will be 6.5. This one will be 3. This one will be 1. And this one will be 1. This one right here will be 3.5. This one right here will be 4. This one right here will be 4. This one right here will be 1 or 2. This one right here will be 1. This one right here will be 3.5. This one right here will be 4. This one right here will be 1. And I think that's it. Those are all the dimensions. Yes. So it should look something like this. Okay? If it doesn't look like this, just start over or ask me for help. But if you follow along with all the parts of the video, it should be something similar to this. Alright, let's go ahead and go to features. And instead of extruding, we're going to use a different command called revolve ball space. That will give us the shape that we want. See how it turned around? Alright, what we want is, it's asking for something. It's asking for an axis of revolution. Okay, right here. So let's go ahead and select, if we rotate this, select the bottom line where it's 6.5. Okay, and that creates and revolves this whole piece around. Let's go ahead and hit check. And we've created the wheel. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the spokes. So the spokes will go not on this side, but they will go on this side. Click on this face, go normal 2, go to sketch, sketch, and then let's go ahead and draw a circle right in the middle. Go ahead and mention that. The dimension will be 4. Okay. Now go ahead and grab your rectangle. Click on this arrow. Make sure you're selecting the center rectangle. We're going to draw 2 rectangles. One right off the middle and make it thin and skinny. Right? Make it big like this. Now go on again and select the middle again. And then go and select and make the square this big. Okay. Alright, now hit escape twice. Make sure you don't have a tool. Go to smart dimension. And we're going to add a dimension like this off the bat from this point to this point, or you can select the line. doesn't work, then just go ahead and go to Smart Dimension again. All right, that dimension there will be 1. Now for this bottom one, that dimension will be 1. Okay. Now the next 2 dimensions that you need are this dimension. That dimension will be 9. And then this dimension will be 9. Okay, so you fully dimensioned everything. It should look black like this. Next, go to Features, Extrude. All right, rotate this over around a little. Now for the contours, you don't have to click anything, but in the contours, make sure that you select, don't click anywhere, be sure you select this line. Make sure the whole rectangle is orange. Now move on to the next rectangle, make sure it's orange, and then click. Next, last one is a circle, and then click. All right, you should have something like this, okay? Now let's go ahead and change the dimension to 4, no, to 9, no, to 4. Dimension. The dimension will be 2. Okay, yeah, there we go. Change it to 2, make sure it's 2. Hit check, and that should create the spokes. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the back, and this is the last step. Click here, go normal to, go to sketch, sketch, and draw a circle right off the middle. Alright, go ahead and add a dimension to the circle. Go to Smart Dimension, add a dimension to the circle, and the dimension will be 3. Now that you have that, we're going to use a new command, and this one is called Features. Instead of extruding, we're cutting. So click Cut, and then for the cut, we're going to go ahead and add a cut of 8. And hit check, and that is it. That is the part that we're looking for. Okay, go ahead and save that. Save it as part 7. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.